In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Hubstaff screenshot notifications in just 5 minutes. If you're a Hubstaff user, you know how important it is to keep track of your work activities, but being notified when a screenshot is taken can offer an extra layer of transparency and awareness. So, let's dive right into the process to ensure you're never caught off guard. First things first, you'll need to launch the Hubstaff desktop application. It's essentially your command center for all things related to time tracking and team management. If you're unfamiliar or new to Hubstaff, you can find this app on your computer's desktop or within your Applications folder if you're using a Mac. Starting the app is as simple as a double click. Once you've successfully launched the Hubstaff app, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. Here, you need to click on the Hubstaff icon. This is typically where Hubstaff functionalities reside, allowing you quick access to various features and settings without having to dig through endless menus. Now with the app open, your next step is to navigate to the top right corner. Look for an icon that opens a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to configuring your app preferences. By clicking this icon, you open up a host of options that we will explore shortly. After the drop-down menu appears, the next move is selecting Preferences from the list of options. Preferences are where you'll find a variety of settings you can customize to enhance your Hubstaff experience. Think of it as your personalization headquarters, where you can adjust various aspects of the app to suit your needs. Finally, to enable the feature we are focusing on today, simply check the box next to Show Notification when screenshot is taken. Checking this box activates a handy alert system, letting you know each time the app captures a screenshot of your activity. This feature can be particularly useful in maintaining self-awareness, and it reinforces accountability, which is crucial whether you're working independently or as part of a team. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned on the screenshot notification setting on Hubstaff. It's as straightforward as that. And these notifications can significantly enhance your workflow by ensuring you are always informed about what's being recorded during your work sessions. Whether you're a manager wanting to align with your team or an individual looking to maintain transparency, this quick setup can serve